Hello everyone, this is Arkady from Joy25, and today we're going to do comparison side-by-side video for the Rippa RS06-3 and RS04. Both of these machines were received in July of 2026, and let's see why one of them costs twice the price as the other one. On the surface, both machines come with Kubota diesel engines. Both machines are stand-on tracked mini skid steers. Both machines are made by the same factory. Why is the price difference? Well, there's actually a very big justification for it. Let's take a look at each difference side by side. The first and the most obvious difference is the size and weight. RS06 weighs 1,475 kilos, while RS04 weighs only 930 kilos. In percentages, RS06 weighs almost 60% more than RS04. To help you gauge the size difference, here's a quick walk around of each of the machines. We'll start with RS06 first. Here is the RS04. We filmed dedicated demo videos for each of these machines where you can get in-depth details. We will leave links in the description below. Number 2 difference is the engines. RS06 comes with Kubota D1105, while RS04 has Kubota Z482. Let's take a look at the engines. All right, let's start with RS06 first again. Here is an 1123cc Kubota D1105. It has almost 25 horsepower, 3-cylinder diesel. Here is the RS04's Kubota Z482, 479cc, and almost 11 horsepower 2-cylinder diesel engine. When compared by the engine size, RS06 has a 135% larger engine than RS04. While we have engine compartments open, let's take a look at the number 3, and this is our hydraulic pumps. The RS06 has a variable displacement piston pump that is load sensing, while RS04 comes with a triple gear pump. Here is the RS04's triple gear pump. The total system maximum flow is 42 liters per minute, but it is divided between 3 pumps that have 12, 12, and 18 liters per minute flow. The 18 liters per minute pump will power your auxiliary attachments. That is why if you're considering getting RS04 and you want to run high flow attachments with it, you have to understand that the maximum flow for the attachments is 18 liters. Here is a massive piston pump that can deliver up to 84 liters per minute flow to your auxiliary attachments. That should be sufficient to run pretty much anything for this mini skid steer, including mulchers. Check out this massive hydraulic oil inlet hose. Also, since it is load sensing, the smoothness of operation is very good. Personally, I really like this pump. So while the RS06 has doubled the hydraulic flow of RS04, for the auxiliary attachments, which one of the most important figures that people look at when they're choosing a skid steer, RS06 has almost 4.6 times more hydraulic flow for the attachments than RS04. Number 4 is a safe lifting capacity. For the RS04, it is 175 kilograms. For the RS06, it's 300 kilograms. So RS06 is rated to lift 70% more weight than the RS04. The main reasons for it is, well, first of all, the weight of the machines themselves, and also the length of tracks. On the RS04, your track length is about 1 meter, while on RS06, it is 1.30 meters. So it's 30% longer tracks, heavier machines, plus RS06 has extra counterweights that you can add to the back. Number 5 is the control pattern. The RS04 is controlled by what's called an H pattern, where 2 levers, one controlling the one track, the other one controlling the other track. And if you want to drive forward, you have to use both hands to push forward both of the levers. On the RS06, you have a dedicated lever for the driving and dedicated lever for the bucket. It is depends on what you get used to. For me, it is easier to drive RS06 than RS04. Here is a close-up of the RS06 operator station. So we have our 12-volt outlet, battery switch, the LCD screen, our ignition key, throttle, hydraulic lock, our lights, high and low speed selector, and then our 2 levers in the middle for the auxiliary hydraulics for 2 lines, then our joysticks. And here's a description where the left joystick controls your movement and the right joystick controls your bucket. Here's what you can see on the screen when we start the machine. So first we'll glow plug it by turning the key to the left and then start it. So here you have your basic information, your engine temperature, fuel level, battery, your RPMs, and then your speed selector. Right now it's in a low gear. If I click rev it, it shows rev it. RS06 also has a float function for the bucket, and to engage it, you would just push the lever forward. Well, I guess you gotta get the power, and then the lever will stay. Here's a close-up of our RS04's operator station. So we got our throttle, 12 volts outlet, engine temperature, hour meter, fuel gauge, our lights, horn, the button to engage the flow function, and our ignition. Over here we also have the warning lights for the low oil and battery. If we'll move forward, we have 2 levers in the center for our auxiliary hydraulic lines and our sticks. Here's how it looks. So the levers control tracks, and then movement left and right will control raising of the bucket and curling of the bucket. Number 6 is a trajectory of your bucket lift. The RS06 will lift the bucket straight up, while RS04 will lift the bucket in a radial motion. We'll show you how it looks. To achieve the straight line lift, this joint will move forward, so pay attention to it while I'll be lifting the bucket. So I'll start the engine. Okay, now let's repeat with the RS04. Number 7 is your max lifting height. We just measured the height on the RS04 and it is 1.7 meters, while on RS06 it is 1.9. Number 8 is a difference in the drive motors. RS06 has a double speed travel motors, which are significantly faster than RS04. To show you that, we'll do a race, but I need a second person to drive the RS04, and for that, I'm gonna have to summon Matt again. So I'm just gonna say Matt 3 times and hopefully he'll appear. Feel free to help me and say Matt as well. Matt! Matt! Matt, appear! Looks like it worked. The first race is gonna be with RS06 in the low gear and the full throttle. Same thing, the full throttle for the RS04. Let's begin. We'll start the engines. Give it max throttle. And on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. We can see that in the low gear, the RS06 is slightly faster than the RS04. We reposition the machines, and now we'll repeat it, but the RS06 will be in the high gear. Let's get started, Matt. One, two, three. As you see, the RS06 in the high gear is a lot faster than the RS04. Matt, thank you so much for your help. Really appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you're going to have any questions about any Rippa equipment, like mini skid steers, excavators, wheel loaders, visit joy25.com or give one of our dealers a call. And as always, thank you for watching, like and subscribe.